Hey guys, Matt here with BuiltRight Industries. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our original size riser mounts. Now this is a pair of riser mounts including the rubber clamps. That's part number 104005. We get a lot of questions about what these are, how to use them. I'm going to try to answer those questions here today. The answer is this is the riser mount itself. There's a rubber clamp attached to it and it's perfect for holding something like a shovel or an axe or a hammer handle, anything that is about that size. This is a great way to secure those items either to our panels or to anything else you've got. So again, they come in a pair. Let's take a closer look at what's included. All right, so we're gonna take a closer look at this kit. Again, that's part number 104005. You open the box, you're gonna find a few things. We'll talk about the main event first here. That's our pair of riser mounts. These are a stainless steel tumbled with kind of a uniform finish. They look really rugged, they look pretty sweet. You're also going to have two original size rubber clamps here. And then you're going to have a hardware kit. And I'm not going to fully assemble this, but I'll give you the quick breakdown. The idea is you would bolt one of these riser mounts to your panel or to wherever you're mounting these using one of these three holes or a combination of them. And then you'll take your rubber clamp and you're going to put that through here, and then using these two big bolts, that's how you're securing the clamp. So this is, of course, you'll have washers and nuts, which is included in the hardware kit here. But this is essentially the assembly. Now you can put things in and out of there. This clamp is now secured with two bolts instead of one through the center. And you've got a little bit of a riser here to get whatever you're attaching out away from the surface. So that is what's included in this kit. That is generally what this assembly and installation looks like. We'll give you a quick look now at what these look like in use in one of our trucks. All right, so we're out here in the bed of one of our shop trucks. You can see we've got our ShovelTech shovel here secured by a pair of riser mounts. In this example, you can see how we've got the pair of riser mounts securing the shovel handle. And this really demonstrates nicely one of the benefits of the riser mounts, which is that down here, it's giving us clearance off the bed, where if we didn't have those riser mounts, this shovel might be banging against the bed while we're out driving around. So really quickly, you can see that we attach the riser mount to the panel, and then we attach the rubber clamp to the riser mount here, just like we just showed you on the bench. So it's pretty basic. This is just kind of showing you an overview of how you might use this. There are 100 other ways you could use these, but with a visual, you should be able to get creative on your own. All right, so coming over here to the driver's side of the truck really quickly, you can see we've got a Fisker's axe attached using, again, a pair of our 104005 riser mounts. In this particular case, we don't have the interference issue that we have with the head of the shovel, but having these riser mounts gives you a nice space to grip this axe without your hand running into the panel while you're trying to use it. So whether you need the rise or not, having it makes these clamps easier to use and access. And then they also, of course, they hold the rubber clamp in a little bit more securely than just one bolt. All right, so with that, you've got a quick overview of the original size riser mounts for the quick fist clamps. Again, that's BuiltRight part number 104005. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us via phone and email, and we'll get you sorted out. Thanks.